Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our fourth chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. This is our first class of this chapter, in which we are going to learn about the introduction, about the part what is a linear equation, as well as the word linear equation, two and variables. These words we are going to study in a very brief type. This is only an introduction class. After class we have to learn about the linear equation as well as the solution of the linear equation. We have also learned of the plotting of the linear equation on the graph paper. So let's get start about this first class, that is an introduction class. So what is a linear equation in two variables? You have learned earlier that what is polynomials. But now this is our new chapter that only includes the linear equations in two variables. There is also a linear equation in one variable. So first of all, what is a linear equation in two variables? These all words have a very different meaning. That is, linear means polynomial degree 1. What is means a equation is linear when its degree is only 1. After that, what is an equation? Equation is a means equals to when a polynomial is equals to 0, then it is known as equation. Equation is made from the word equals to. After that, in variables, variables means alphabets whose coefficient decides their value, means they have a coefficient in the form of which constant, constant. So what you have learned? You have learned that the linear means a polynomial having degree 1, as well as the equations means equals. In the same way, variables means alphabets whose coefficient is the constant whose decides its value. As well, it is also shows a 2, which means there are two variables which can be anything xy, pm, qr, anything which have two variables. So now we are going to start our chapter, that is linear equation. So first you have to learn that is an equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is known as linear equation in two variables, where x and y are variables and a and b are real numbers, such that, this is a very important line, that is such that a and b both cannot be equal to 0. Means it is telling that the both cannot be equal at the same time equals to 0. Means both cannot be 0 at the same time. Means they can be 0 but cannot both they. Means it is only saying that they can be 0 but not at the same time both can be 0. If both can be 0, then the equation is not a linear equation in two variables. In the same way, as we have taken the basic of linear equation, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. In the same form we have taken an example, that is 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. First type is that a equation is given, you have to frame the basic equation, general equation of it. So let's get example, that is 9x plus 4y equals to 3, and you have to find a, b and c. So first you have to convert it, this equation in a basic form, that is 9x plus 4y and plus minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. Now a is equals to 9, b is equals to 4 and c is equals to minus 3. I hope you understand it. Okay. Now, so this is an end of our class first, that only shows you what is linear equation in two variables, in which we have learned the very basic terms of what is linear means, what is equation means, what is two means, what is variables means. I hope you understand it. Also we have going to teach you about the definition of linear equation in two variables. Second class is mainly about the only linear equation, which we only study about the few equation, as well as the next class show you a solution in one variable. So thank you so much for this class. Meet you soon in our second class, that is actual a linear equation. Thank you so much.